Hi, I'm Chris, doer of many things here at Noise Engineering. This is Librae, a mid-side and stereo dynamics processor capable of compression, expansion, and limiting, plus many types of distortion. Get your own in VST, AU, and AAX formats from our website, also linked in the description, noiseengineering.us. Keep in mind that stereo processing like we're covering in this demo will only really be audible with monitors or headphones. Librae has 4 independent dynamics processors. Pre and post are the first and last steps in the signal chain, and they are stereo processors that work on the whole input signal. Mid and side are the second and third steps in the chain and process only a portion of the signal. We'll go in-depth on mid-side processing in a bit, but to get started, let's bypass pre, mid, and side and listen to a drum loop just through the post band. Evaluate audio processing over time with the envelope at the bottom of Librae, which shows input, output, and gain reduction information. The stereo field meter shows the level and width of signals at the input and output, especially useful for mid-side tasks. Create more intense limiting by turning up the gain knob, which increases the level of the signal going into the dynamics processor. Apply more compression to the signal with room, and apply expansion with floor. Parallel processing is a great way to add punch and body to a signal that's lacking impact. Use blend to create a mix of the dry, unprocessed signal and the compressed, punchy result. The output level can be adjusted with the out control. These quick access controls are great for making swift changes to the dynamics of a sound, but if you want more options, the left column of parameters go into more depth. Blend between stereo independence and coupled left and right processing with stereo link. Use the detector filter to change how Librae reacts to different signals. Hear how this kick drum becomes more dynamic when weight low is turned down. Release changes how aggressive the dynamics processing is. Lower settings are more aggressive, perfect for individual instruments, and higher settings smooth out the processing, great for a full mix. Along with dynamics processing, Librae has a number of controls that add color via subtle or not so subtle harmonic distortion. To increase loudness, a little bit of soft drive can go a long way. Add even more unique warmth and color with hard drive, zero pop, and saturate. Now that we've covered post, let's emphasize the stereo field of a mix with mid and side processors. Mid processes the mono portion of the signal, and side processes everything else. Small changes to the mid-side balance can have a big impact on how wide your mix sounds, and processing the mid and side independently opens up new options for complete stereo control. Using this mid-side slider, you can hear the signal shift from side to mid, the space in the center of your speakers. You can process the mid and side bands with the same controls we just used on post. The spatial dynamics possibilities are endless. Here we're emphasizing the effect of a reverb with some gentle expansion. We then add some character to the stereo field with zero pop. And finally, balance our whole mix with the mid-side slider. Bypassing Librae shows just how much of an impact it makes. Librae ships with a library of presets designed for a variety of uses to help you get started, from subtle drum bus processing to glue for your whole mix. Robust yet simple to use, Librae is a perfect tool for mixing, mastering, sound design, or just experimenting with the stereo field.